This is your small mixer, and this is the main blade, the handheld blade for the blender. Solid steel, stainless steel actually, and you also have a cover. Then this is the main motor. As you could see, it's kind of big, but it really does the job. Allow me to go ahead and voila, voila. Give me a second. I'm gonna plug this baby in. Okay. And we'll turn this baby on. Hold on one second. Ah! You can hear how silent that is. Not loud. And you can see the blade turning. And here's your controls. Your speed dial is up here. And the higher, which I have it all the way at 15. Just gets slightly loud. Bring it down. Nice and quiet. And then let me wrap this up. Voila. Easy to come apart. All you do, voila. That's it. It goes back into the caddy here. Just like that. It snaps in. Place the protective cover over the blade. And that just snaps in just like that. And then we have the masher. And that's the blade. You can use that to mash potatoes, whatever you need to mash. And that fits right here. So you have these three components. The only component that's not available is for this. And then last but not least, we also have, and this comes out just like that. And that's where you put all your veggies or whatever you're going to shred. And here's your shredding blade. Ah! Actually, let me show you a couple things. Here's the shred. You got two sides for real fine and coarse. Then here's your other blade. And last but not least, this comes right underneath. You also have your other blade if you want to make, say, you want to do potatoes and you're going to do fries or whatever, or tomatoes. And then you have your dial, which will change the thickness, as you can see. Watch the blade. And there you have it. It's well worth the money.